Hi, let's look at this question together. ABCD is a square of 12 centimeter. It is formed from two rectangles, AEGD and EBCG. H is a point on AD and F is a point on BC. Find the area of EFGH. So we know from the question, ABCD is a square. So we know here to here is 12 centimeter, here to here is 12 centimeter. It's formed from two rectangles. AEGD, which is this rectangle, and EBCG is this small rectangle. Okay, the important information is that H is a point on AD and F is a point on BC. So the question asks you to find this shaded area EFGH. You will notice that not a lot of information is given except that you know this length, but how do you going to find the area here? Okay, so to solve this problem, you need to understand a concept, okay? And this is a concept that your child will need to understand. If he don't understand this concept or he don't know aware of this concept, he will not be able to solve this problem. Cool? Okay, so if you look at these three diagrams, okay, the area of the green is always equal to the area of the red. So as long as you have a square or rectangle, okay, the base of the triangle is equal to the base of the square or the rectangle, and the tip of the point of the triangle is actually touching the top, okay, line of the square or the rectangle. Then you can safely say that the area of the green is equal to area of the red. So regardless of where this touching is, okay, it can be at the corner, okay, or can at this corner, it will still be the same. You can even break it into two smaller triangles as long as the total length of the base is equal to the length of the square of the rectangle. This concept still is the same. And the important thing is the tip must touch the line of the square or rectangle. And that's precisely the reason why he tell you that H is the point touching on AD and F is the point touching on BC. Without this confirmation, you cannot apply this logic. Okay? So if you are not aware, there's a video called P5 about the area of triangle. You can search it under my YouTube. Okay, now you understand this concept, you can solve this question quite easily. So assuming this is the diagram, I take a knife and I cut it. Okay, so this is the top part, this is the bottom part. Straight away, I can say that the area of the white is equal to the area of the shaded part. The area of the white is equal to the area of shaded part. So what does it tell me? It tells me simply that the area of this shaded object is half the area of the square. Okay, so with that, I can say the area of EFGH is equal to half the area of ABCD. ABCD is 12 centimeter by 12 centimeter. So half of it is 72 centimeters square. Okay, so if your child don't understand this concept, he will not be able to solve this problem. I hope it helps.